everyone and welcome. Today's video is going to be about fixing Facebook video lag in 2025. Now let's say you're watching a Facebook video and for whatever reason the video is lagging. Now how do you fix this? Now to fix this problem, there are several ways you can do. First, you have to check your internet connection to make sure you have a strong internet connection, because slow internet can cause it. Next, try using a different internet connection like Wi-Fi or Ethernet. And if you're using a mobile data plan, make sure you have enough data to stream videos. Next, update your Facebook app. Now you can update your Facebook app. If you're using an Android phone, update it in Google Play Store. If you're using Apple phone, use the Apple Store. So once you've done that, it will help you automatically to fix the bugs that could be causing the video lag. So you can also clear your Facebook cache. Yes, it's another thing you can do. You can clear the Facebook cache because sometimes that is what causes the problem. So if I go to Facebook, I want to clear the cache. This is for app information. So click on app information. I want to show you how to clear the cache. And then you go to storage and you can see cache, so you clear the cache. Sometimes that also helps out. Now once you've cleared your Facebook cache, it should fix the problem. If the problem still isn't fixed, what else can you do? You can also after clearing your Facebook cache, I've already explained that, you can also check your Facebook account settings to make sure that it is set properly by going to settings in the account to check if there's any part that you did not set properly. Next, you can disable playback over Wi-Fi and enable it again. This will help to improve video quality. If it persists, then you need to report the issue to Facebook support, so they may be able to provide further assistance. Here are some additional tips you can try. You can use a fast video streaming service. If you're watching videos on a slow video streaming service, try switching to a different service. You can also adjust the video quality settings. If your video quality setting is high, you may want to try reading into a low or medium setting. Then use a browser that supports video acceleration. If you're using a web browser to watch the Facebook video, you can also use the one that supports video acceleration. Because if you use one that does not support video acceleration, it may cause video lag. So that's it. Those are the ways for you to fix Facebook video lag. Hope you found this video helpful. Do not forget to like and subscribe to this channel for more helpful tips like this which we put up every day. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.